Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these lemon tart blondies. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a microwavable safe bowl. Then into that place your butter and your white chocolate. Then melt in a microwave together until they are melted. So do it in 30-second increments until you've got to this stage. Then whisk it all together until it's smooth and glossy. Once you've achieved that, you can then go ahead and add in the granulated sugar and whisk that in until it's fully incorporated. Then you can go ahead and add in the eggs and the vanilla extract and whisk until it's fully incorporated. The mixture should be smooth and glossy. That's what you're looking for, so just keep whisking until you've achieved that. Once you have achieved that, you can then go ahead and add in the dry ingredients, which is flour, salt and your chocolate chips. Then fold these all together until the mixture is fully combined and you should have a clear batter. Once you have a clear batter, you can grab your 9x9 inch square baking pan and pour all of the blondie batter into it, then level it out a little bit if it needs it, and then you're good to go. You'll then want to add dollops of lemon curd on top. You can't really see it once it's on there because they're both yellow, but feel free to add more or less, it's really up to you. I wanted quite a strong lemon flavour, so I thought I had enough on, and I added a little bit too much, but there was about 100 grams of lemon curd. Then just take a butter knife and swirl it around the tin until you're happy with the pattern. This is what it looks like up close, and then you're good to go. So if you wanted to put these into the oven first and bake them for around half the time, then add the lemon tarts, feel free to do that. But I like to add mine before, as it doesn't really make too much of a difference with the recipe later on. So before they go in the oven, place on the mini lemon tarts, and I've got 9, so there'll be 9 portions, but feel free to make it more or less, or do it however you really like, it's really up to you. Then you can go ahead and bake it off. All that information will be in the blog post, which will be linked down below. Once baked and fresh from the oven, you can then finish them off. I like to add some white chocolate chips on top, but again, this is completely optional and you don't have to do this if you don't want to. So feel free to skip this stage if you don't want to, but why not add a little bit more chocolate onto this recipe, because you can never have enough chocolate. Allow them to cool completely. I like to let mine chill to room temperature, then fridge, and then leave them overnight. It makes them easier and more dense, which is perfect for a blondie. Then you can go ahead and cut it up into as many or as few pieces as you would like. I went with 9, but that's how many I wanted, but feel free to make it more or less, depends on you. So thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. I'll be linked to this recipe, a link to my blog and links to all my social medias. But that's all for today, I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.